If any concrete proof was needed, it has now been officially provided. Humans are altering the Earth's climate system.
We need a fundamental departure from the business as usual scenario.
Following a week of intense debate and all-night talks that went on until 5 a.m. Saturday, the most comprehensive assessment of climate change yet undertaken was released Sunday in Copenhagen. Produced by hundreds of scientists of the UN-backed Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, it provides a stark image of what humans have done to their planet. Despite existing mitigation policies, the growth of greenhouse gas emissions has increased over the last decades. The warming of the atmosphere and ocean, the amounts of snow and ice which have diminished, poorer crop yields and the sea level rising are all directly connected to recent emissions of greenhouse gases, the highest ever in history. Some might argue this is hardly news, and indeed the report restates many familiar positions. But the scientists outline an immediate urgency with a clear bottom line. The unrestricted use of fossil fuels must end soon if the world is to avoid dangerous climate change.
We have a very limited window of opportunity, and I think the global community must look at these numbers and show the resolve by which we can bring about change.
Driven largely by economic and population growth, the atmospheric concentrations of carbon dioxide are unprecedented in at least the last 800,000 years. So what could be done? The report suggests renewable energy sources will have to grow from their current 30% share to 80% of the power sector by 2050, and fossil fuels phased out almost entirely by 2100. In Christopher Nolan's newly released film Interstellar, scientists are sent into space to try and find a new home for humanity. It appears that the day this would become a reality could be just around the corner.